Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and here I wanted to share some faux stamps with you all. I joined a Facebook group called Junk Journal with Penny, and I'll link her Facebook group down below. She has some swaps going on right now. One of them is the faux stamp swap, and I'm yet to make 10 stamps, faux stamps, no bigger than 2 by 2, and we were partnered up with somebody that we wanted to swap with, naming one U.S. person or one international, one U.S. swapper. So I wanted to be safe because postage out of state or out of country is pretty expensive right now. And I know we're only supposed to send the stamps only, I think. So let me show you the products that I used. I used the Ranger Raven dye ink that I got from Tuesday Morning. I think I have 2 of these because these are really good ink. I used the vintage photo and walnut stain distress ink. I used Fisker's stamp, what do you call this? Paper edgers. This is an oldie but goodie. I always use this one and a deco edge one. I always use them. What else did I use? Oh, and then the stamps that I used this one from Tuesday Morning. I used the canceled out, what do you call that thing? So I used that. I can't remember, I can't think. I used this one. Okay, so my partner agreed to make 5 1-inch, 1 by 1 inch square stamps and 2 by 2. So we're going to get 5 of the 1-inch and 5 of the 2-inch one, which I thought was a great selection or variety. So the small one, the 1-inch ones, I used the butterfly, the sewing machine, what are those, keys? These are stamps here, and the little birdie on mine. And then for the bigger ones, I used this stamp set, and I believe this came from Tuesday Morning as well, I think. Or I don't remember. I can't remember. But I used these for the bigger, the 2-inch ones. So let me share what I made. I used craft cardstock and book pages, and then I also used a little bit of some acrylic paint because I was doing my IC cards and I was using that paint, and I had it here, and I was like, I'm gonna give this some color versus just being brown and black, So this is, I'm gonna bring you down so I don't have to. There we go. So here's the first one. This is the sewing machine. Oops, sorry. Really cute. Oh, and I also used this stamp set as well. I used this one here. I just think it just adds a little something, and you can see the blue acrylic paint, and I just used just some blue and white acrylic paint. And then here's the key one. I think they turned out really cute. And then here's the stamp on a stamp. I thought that was really cute. And then this butterfly is really adorable. I love how that turned out. And then this cute little birdie. So that's 5 of the 1-inch ones, and then here are the bigger, the 2-inch ones. So I think I'm so glad I added the color because it would have been so plain. And then I used book pages as well. I think I said that, didn't I? Can't remember. So these stamps are really cool. This is like an American one. It's really cool. This is a London. That's Big Ben right there. So I really like that. And then this is Italy, you know, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I've never been there, but hopefully one day I will. I don't know what this one is. It just seemed really cool. And then, lastly, of course, Paris. I love Paris. Um, so, so those are my, oops, those are the 5 small ones, and then I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit. And then here are my 5 big ones. So I hope my partner likes these. I can't wait to get her. She already mailed hers out. I have until the 20th to mail mine out, so I can package this up all pretty like and send it to her, and I'll be back showing what I received. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.